Welcome to the Hartford Boat Show 2019. This is a 50th anniversary year being held at Mohegan Sun Casino. My name is Keith Abel and I work for MarineMax. We have a beautiful display of boats from Boston whalers, Sea Rays, Scouts, sailfish boats. We have incredible incentives, factory rebates, wonderful service. If you're looking to get out in the water, please come to the Hartford Boat Show. Ask for Keith Abel. Looking for a deal? You want to relax? Spend time with family and friends? Buy a boat? Get ready for the upcoming boating season? Please call Keith Abel at 203-996-2599. It's a spectacular show. We've been selling a lot of boats, and we're here to get you on the water. MarineMax, united by water, united by people. We're here for fun, we're here for pleasure, and we're here for customer service to fill all your needs. Thank you, have a great day, and see you at the show.